Hey, it's Justin KANOYA, DJ, business coach, and idea sharer. And in this video, I'm showing you my setup when I'm using Instagram to live stream my DJ set. Now, when it comes to streaming on Instagram, there's really three pieces of equipment that are fairly crucial for me, aside from your DJ equipment. First is a tripod. And depending on where you're going to set up your phone, is really going to be dependent on which tripod you need. This Joby tripod is super sturdy, and if you have enough space and you have the means to kind of elevate it, then it's perfect. If you've got a taller tripod, this is so strong that you could really just latch it onto the tripod. Or, and this goes to the second piece of equipment that I recommend, the phone holder would obviously be able to attach to another tripod. So this particular one I got on Amazon, I'll link to it. The reason I really like it is that it easily will flip between portrait mode and landscape. So I guess that would be portrait mode, and this would be landscape. It's a little bit backwards because your phone would be here. The third item, you need some kind of cabling. And this particular one was developed by NLFX, and this one in particular is an RCA to TRRS. So this NLFX cable, it's super simple. You're just going to plug this into the RCA out jack on your mixer. Most mixers and controllers have an RCA out in addition to an XLR out. So you're just going to plug this into there, and then of course this is the end that goes into your phone. And after that, you're set. So there's really no need for another computer or anything like that. And especially if you're using Instagram, your only option is to use your phone. Instagram doesn't allow for any other non-mobile device to post to or do your live stream. So it really is about trying to figure out what's going to be the best way to get audio from your controller or your mixer to the phone. And for me, it's been this cable. It's done an amazing job. Well, that's a quick look at my setup and the equipment that I use when I'm streaming my DJ sets to Instagram. Hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone else that might find it helpful as well. Thanks for watching. I'm DJ Justin KANOYA, and I'll see you next time online.